Well, Tesla is all set to mark its official entry into the Indian market with the launch of its first showroom in Mumbai today, as the electric vehicle giant is opening its Indian showroom at the Maker Maxcity Mall in city's Bandra Kurla complex, as Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has also joined there at the showroom. Let's get in a word from Rucha as well. Rucha, a lot of tech enthusiasts and interested customers are already gathering at the venue to witness the launch of the first offering and the authorized showroom of Tesla in India.
Well, of course, this is a special day for all those automobile lovers. Now that the first ever showroom of Tesla is being inaugurated at Mumbai's BKC. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis as well as the Transport Minister of Maharashtra Pratap Sarnaik has already arrived, and they are currently being briefed about how the operations will be, and very soon by the afternoon all the common people will also be able to enter the premises of the Tesla office here in BKC, and it is 10-floor office where the experience center is located at, and as of now there are two models which are being displayed. One is the variant Y and the other one is variant 3. As of now, what the reports are telling us that only model Y will be open for the selling, and which will be the first ever EV car which will be based from the United States, which will be sold in India, and the specifications of the car are also very different than the other presently available.
I think if you're around and it's raining there, Rucha, if it is possible to show us around as well, because you've been saying that the electric vehicle making company is opening its first showroom in BKC, and Tesla is also speculated to sell its Model Y. So what is the Model Y SUV in India, and how practical it would be if you can show us?
Well, this is the location. It is raining. There are a lot of fans already present here, and people were definitely expecting Elon Musk as well, which he will not be coming here. But as of now, the CM of Maharashtra is being briefed about the entire office as present here in the office. One is the variant Y and the other one is variant 3, and the only...
Yes, as far as Tesla was concerned, Elon Musk had previously also said that it was keen to import its vehicles into the country and sell them through its showrooms rather than establishing manufacturing facilities as well. But when it comes to the operational strategy, well, this is something that we are looking at as far as its newest venture concerned. This is Tesla's official entry into the Indian market with the launch of its first showroom in the country. And this is now opened this morning at the Maker Maxcity Mall in BKC, which is Bandra Kurla complex, which is home to several posh areas and offices and corporate giants as well. But now we are looking at as this wait that is now finally over, as Elon Musk EV giant has now entered India after several of years of wait as well. But this is now what we are getting to know as far as the pictures that have been coming in. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis is there, the Transport Minister is there, and the company which has opened its first showroom in Mumbai's BKC. What is being reported that the Tesla Model Y would be leading the charge first when it comes to dominating the segment itself. Model Y, which is said to be priced globally as a mid-range luxury EV, seems to be a practical choice for Indian urban families as well, because it offers a blend of performance, lot of space, cutting-edge technology as well, and it seems that the features are also tailor-made, especially when it comes to the Indian customers. So pictures coming in right outside the Tesla showroom in Mumbai.